Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best Gaggia Espresso machine with an automatic milk frother. The Gaggia Classic Evo Pro. Model RE 9380/46, in brushed stainless steel. If you're a serious coffee enthusiast or just beginning your espresso journey, this machine is going to change the way you make coffee at home. Let's explore why. The Gaggia Classic Evo Pro is a beautiful fusion of form and function. Made in Italy, the solid brushed stainless steel housing isn't just for looks. It gives the machine a robust, commercial feel that assures long-term durability. Its compact footprint measures 8 inches deep by 9.5 inches wide and 14.2 inches tall, which means it fits nicely on most kitchen countertops without taking over the entire space. Weighing in at 8.5 kilograms, this is a solid piece of engineering that feels premium the moment you unbox it. Inside, the Evo Pro is all about performance. It uses a full 9-bar espresso extraction system, ideal for pulling consistent, barista-quality espresso shots. The heart of the machine is its stainless steel 58mm commercial portafilter, the same size used in professional cafes, which ensures excellent temperature stability and rich extractions. Then there's the commercial 3-way solenoid valve. This component is key to cleaner puck removal and drier coffee grounds after brewing, which not only makes cleaning easier but also preps the machine faster for the next shot. And of course, for milk-based drinks, the commercial steam wand gives you full control to texture milk exactly how you like it. Whether you're steaming for a cappuccino, latte, or flat white. With some practice, you'll be pouring latte art at home with ease. Unlike fully automated machines, the Classic Evo Pro gives you manual control, which means more hands-on experience and better customization for every shot. It's self-serviceable too, meaning long-term maintenance won't require a professional technician for every little thing. One of the standout aspects is the tactile experience. The switches are satisfying, the portafilter locks in with a firm twist, and the steam wand has the heft and flexibility you'd expect from a cafe-grade machine. This is a tool designed not just to work well, but to feel great while you're using it. The Classic Evo Pro operates at 120 volts and 1200 watts, so if you're purchasing this outside the US, be sure to use a voltage converter for safe operation. It features a generous 2.1-liter water tank, so you're not constantly refilling, making it ideal for homes where multiple espressos and milk drinks are brewed daily. To sum up, the Gaggia Classic Evo Pro is not a toy. It's a serious espresso machine made for coffee lovers who want control, quality, and longevity. It combines Italian craftsmanship, commercial-grade components, and thoughtful design all in one compact unit. Whether you're looking to hone your espresso skills or just want reliable, delicious coffee every day, this machine is a worthy investment. At a current price of around $459 plus shipping and import fees to India, it offers serious value for a semi-automatic espresso machine in this class. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to Product Critique, and turn on notifications for more deep dive product videos. See you next time.